Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Java JDK 20 on Windows 11 operating system. We are also install Java Home or set Java Home on our Windows 11 operating system. So let's go and do this. Okay. First of all, I just go to the any web browser I like. I just go to the any web browser and here I just type Oracle Java and hit enter key on my keyboard. The first link is from the oracle.com. It is an official website of the Java. Open that website. Okay. This is our website. And here we find at the top, download Java. Just click on the download Java. Okay. Here we find Java downloads. Here we find Java 20 and Java 70. I want Java 20. Here is the Java 20. I just scroll down and here I find Linux, then Mac OS, then Windows. Okay, I want to install on my Windows 11 operating system, so I just click on the Windows. Okay, now Windows 11 is always 64-bit, so it's showing us a only 64-bit version. Okay, here we find second option x64 installer, and this is the our installer file. Just click at here, download at this link, and just click at here. Okay, now our download is started at here, or depending on your browser, it is started at here. Okay, now it takes some time, so I just click on show all downloads. Okay, and here we find our download. Just click on the show in a folder. Okay, now drag this file to desktop. Okay, now our setup file is ready. Okay, here is our setup file. Now on desktop, I just double click on this setup file. Double click on this setup file. Click on the yes. Our installation is started. It takes few seconds. Okay. Now just click on the next. If you want to change a directory or the path of your installation, then just go to the change and just go to the here and change your path that you like. Okay. Now just click on the OK. I don't want to change a path, so I just click on OK. Now just click on the next. Now our status is running. It's take few minutes. Now our installation is completed. We can just click on the close. Just close our installation. Our installation is successful. Okay, now close it. Now the next step is set the environment variable or environment path. That is very easy. First of all, I just go to the here at this PC. Just click on the this PC. Here is the this PC. At this point, just click on the C drive. In a C drive, just go to the program files. In program files, just find Java. Here is the Java. Just double click on Java. In Java, we find JDK 20. Just click on the JDK-20. Double click on it. Okay. Here we find one path named bin. Just double click on the bin. Okay. Now we want to copy this path. Okay. That is very easy. Just click at here. Just click at here. Okay. Now it is just select our path or just select manually also. Okay. Just select this path. Right click on it and just copy it. Just copy this path. Now minimize it. Now the next step is now just go to the start. In start, just go to the set environment path. So I just type environment path. Just type edit the system environment variables. Just type the edit the system environment variables. Just click at here. Now here is our system properties. Here we find environment variables. Just click on the environment variables. Okay. Now here is our environment variables. We can set our path as our user variables. Okay. Or we can also set as the system variables. It is apply system variables is apply for the all users. And if you want to apply on the current user, then just go with the user variables. I go with the all my users. So I just click on the system variables, go to the system variables. Here we find path. Just select our path. Here is our path and just click on the edit. Just click on the edit. Okay. Now just go to the here new. Just click on the new. In new, just paste the path. Just right click on it and just paste the path and just click on the blank space. Okay, now just click on the okay. Now our path is set. Now we are going to add our Java home. Our Java home, it is also very important. So I just click on the new. Here the variable name, it is very important. It is all in capital. Okay, then just type Java, Java, then underscore, then home, HOME. Just type at is it all in a capital letter. Then just go to the variable value, right click on it and paste our path. And this time remove this bin and \. Okay, so I remove the bin \. Now just click on the OK. Now just click on the OK. Now our environment path is set. Now we want to check our Java version, Java compiler and Java compiler version. That is very easy and simple. Now just go to the start and just type cmd and just go to the command prompt. Okay, now here is our command prompt. Now we just type our first command is the Java, then hyphen version and hit enter. Now it's showing a Java 20. Java 20 is now running on our PC, Windows 11 PC. Now we just check the Java C. Okay, Java C, it is a compiler. Okay, now our compiler is also running. Now we check our Java C version. That is very easy. Java C, then hyphen version. Okay, and hit enter. Java C version is also 20. Now our Java version, Java compiler and Java compiler version is absolutely right. Now next step is very simple. We are going to create our first Java file and compile it in a Java. Okay, first of all, I just cancel this cmd or command prompt. Now I just go to the desktop. Okay, right click on desktop, just go to the new and just click on the folder and I give name test. You can give any name that you like. In test, I just double click on the test folder and here I just create a file. Okay, now just click on the right, new and text document. Okay, now I want to change name of this file and also the extension of this file. That is very easy and the simple. So I just go to the view and here we just go to the show. Here we find file name extension. It is unchecked, just check it. Okay, now it is showing us our extension also. So I just click at here and just click on the F2. Just click on this file and just click on F2 or right click on it and just go to the rename this file. Okay, rename this file. I just give any name. I just give Abhijit. You can give any name that you like. And in extension after dot, okay, I just type Java. Okay, and click on the blank space. Now just click on the yes. Now just right click on it. We want to edit this file. Right click on it. Now just click on open with. Now uncheck this. Okay, and I just go with the notepad. Just click on the notepad and I just type my first Java code. Okay, and save it. Just type this code and I save it. So I want to print a hello Java on my Java file. Okay, now I just minimize it. Now I want to compile this file. Okay, so I close it. Now I just go to the cmd again and click on the command prompt. Okay, now I just type at this point in cmd, just type change directory cd. Change directory is cd. So I just go to the this test and drag this test file folder to my command prompt. Just drag it. Just go to the test and drag it to our cmd. Okay, now it is showing a path of our folder. Now just click on the enter. Okay, now no, not a enter. Just go to the here and just go to the command prompt and enter. Okay, now and then we want to compile our Java, then we just print it. Okay, so I just type at here Java C, then our file name, then dot java. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, not any error, so our file is successfully compiled. Okay, now we want to print it. That is very easy. Just type java, then our file name. Okay, and hit enter. Now it is showing a hello java. So our java is running successful on our Windows 11 operating system. Not any problem with our java. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install and check our java is working or not in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.